how to turn off personalized ads on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to turn off personalized ads on TikTok. So if you're also annoyed with a continuous ads notification from your TikTok, then what you can do is just come over to your profile section at the bottom right corner. And once you're inside here, just tap on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and click on settings and privacy. So once you're inside here, you can see the option that is privacy. Under account, just tap on this privacy option and you should see the option called ads right under the audience control option inside the content and display section. So just tap on that ads option and you can see that is targeted ads option. Just make sure you disable it. So once you disable it, your preference will be saved. And that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.